Once again.
Alright guys, this is the real steamed fish. Marcy said she don't want me burn up fried fish, so she has steamed some fish. Alright guys, I'll show you off. Master God, this is my mama steamed fish. She don't want none of my fried fish when me burn up. So she said me must be a seed. She put some curry in there and some butter. Yes, it over, Marcy. Marcy should have some bami or crackers to put in this. Bami or crackers. Me have bami, you want one? You don't want it? You want it? I'm putting it. So guys, look at that. We're going to cook, make it cook down for about 5 more minutes. Guys, can you see my mama steamed fish and bami? Then she put some bami on the top. Look at that, guys. Look at the goodness. Ah? Some jelly in there. I'm gonna dish out some, guys. Yes. Hi. This is dinner. This is the railing out front, alright? And can you see the wood fire just make up down there, so? And guys, look at my mama steamed fish. Boy. Let me move it, you can see it good. Can you see that, guys? My mother wants you to see her steamed fish with lots of steamed vegetables. She want me and her to eat this because my belly really full. Mas, you want me and you share this one? Alright, see? Me and my mother go share this one. You want the head part? Okay, alright, Marcy said she want the head part. Ooh, look at that, guys. Yes, this is dinner. Alright, see you later, guys. Oh, look there, guys. Banana pan banana tree. Can you see that? I'm going to show you right around. Look. Even at my house. Can you see that? Ooh, lots of banana trees. Dog out that door there. Look there, guys. Can you see that? Heavy, heavy rain. Look there. Wow. Wow. Zil, rain a beat. Everybody say hi to Zil. Zil, say hi. Say hello. Hello. This is my favorite. What, Marcy? Zil a long time person, right? For me a baby, not you, Zil? Yeah. When Zilla making black coffee and strain it, oh my God. Not you, Zil, for me a baby. Zil say we don't have no coffee. You don't have no coffee up there, Marcy. Zil, I will get one coffee for you next time, yeah? Zil say I have to go buy coffee. Zil loving coffee. Look at that, guys. Heavy rain. Oh, you drink some this morning? Right out of ground there we cook, you know. Yeah, we roast. We fry, yeah, right, that's how we cook. Steamed fish, fried fish, roast breadfruit. No way there. See breadfruit there? No way there. Fish upstairs. Up so. You want a piece of fish? After, when you rain done. Zilly mosquito, them will whoop me, you know. Huh? Me buy destroyer. Me I go away now later. Me I go away later. Yeah. Hardly I go carry me at airport. Last week, but me did up so for my husband. Ooh, we're gonna blow in, guys. Ooh. Yes, I'm on it again. It was fun here in the country. I eat a lot of roast breadfruit, turned roast breadfruit. I eat curry chicken and overnight rice and peas when my sister Camille give me. I eat sugar bun, Regal, What else coming? Bun and cheese. I eat orange from the farm. Over there, let me see if you can see it. Over there somewhere, guys. Oh yes, and my mom gave me we steamed fish on the wood fire, and then I fry a few fish. Few of them well, I never make the oil well hot, and then it's stuck in the pot, but I still get some out of it. And what else we eat, Marcy? We eat steamed fish and roast breadfruit. Yeah. And curry chicken. Yeah, make me talk about curry chicken already. And banana. Come here, Molly. Come say hi. Come say hi. Come now. Come. Come in with the booth. This is my beautiful niece. Say hi. Hi. Say bye. And that's my sweet niece, guys. Alright, guys, I'm gonna head on the road. As I show you, me say some rain drop, you see, guys. One whole heap of rainfall. I slept for about 3 hours plus. One whole heap of rainfall. So guys, that's my little fun. That's my little fun I set up there because it's so hot. You see me all a sweat already. And guys, now I'm giving God thanks. I came to country and I had so much fun. I went round the road, and only thing we never get, no sugar cane, no jackfruit, and no chicken in Ikuba. Next time. Alright guys, so I'm gonna head on the road now. It's gonna get dark because my flight will be 9:40 late night. So the driver gonna come and pick me up at 6 or 15 to 6, right, Camille? So it will be dark then, and you can't see my face, you can't see my pretty face. Yes. So guys, this is me. You want to come back in there? Come on, you want to come back in there now? Say hi.
Hi.
Hmm?
Hi.
You see your teeth them. Alright guys, I'll see you later. And God is good all the time, and all the time God is good. Alright. Marcy, you want to tell them later? Say later. My mom said later. Alright guys, bye. My mom said bye. I'll come back soon with God's help. See you later, guys. My mom said, remember, there is a God. Yeah. Alright, later. I'm at the airport now. Outer door dark. I'm gonna do a 360 for you guys. And my gate is right there. Yeah. So I'm gonna check on. I check on already, so I'm gonna board and go sit down and wait. And guys, this is a 360. Oh, my head has spin. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go through this gate now. It was a good time in Jamaica. They fixed me wig good. And I got a cab that brought me here. I know the guy, and I went to, you know, freshen up myself. I check on already, and now I'm gonna board. So guys, it was a wonderful trip to Jamaica, very quick and fast, but it was worth it. And when I reach over there, guys, I'm gonna show you, and when I'm on the plane again, I'm gonna show you a little bit, and then I'll see you soon. Peace. Jamaica, no problem. One love all the time. See you later, guys. Jamaican bobsled at Sangsters International. Feel the rhythm, feel the vibe. So cool. So guys, I'm almost at my spot, gate 15 right here. And look there, guys, so cool. A little rest area where you can eat. So cool. So I'll see you later. Guys, can you see my face? I'm tired, I'm sweaty. I'm at gate 15. I'm just waiting to board. Alright, see you when I reach on. Take off in a few minutes. So hope that everything goes well, and I'll see you in Toronto.
Bonsoir mesdames et messieurs, je m'appelle Jamie, je suis votre directrice.
It's gonna touch down any minute. Woo, yeah. We are home safely. God be praised. It was a fun trip. And guys, we reached safely and God is good. See you later.